Das. I am part of Ajio business and taking care of Bangalore cluster. So I have a total 10 plus years of experience in fashion, lifestyle, retail and e-commerce domain. Today I am going to explain you one of the most preferred and widely used product, that is shirt. So if I am talking about a shirt category in Ajio business, so we have an assortment of close to 90,000 plus shirts in different types, different fit, different colors, different patterns from 190 plus brands. Brands from region specific brands, from national level brands, a small label also. It comprises of all kind of brands, and we are offering you assortment of 9,000 plus catalog. And out of this 9,000 plus catalog, 25% of our catalog is coming in box packing. So because most of the retailers or few different regions specific, they have a different requirement. So if you're looking for a box packing, so this is the right place to venture into and buy your product. Then in the homepage, if you go to the homepage, there are different promotions going on. So every day we are running different kind of promotions for in particular shirt or the other categories, but mostly in shirt we're running different kind of promotions. So there is a popular styles going on. There's a best sellers in shirts. Apart from that, we have a sales team also who is helping you around to navigate the app and to help you around to choose your product and to buy the product. So we have all the facilities provided to you. So I'll explain you. So if you go to a particular shirt tab, and you click in a shirt, men's shirt, so it'll lead to this particular page. There in bottom, if you see, you can filter it out as per your choice. Say if you're looking for only for discounted product. If you're looking only for discounted product, no point of going all the through app. You just only go through the main page of a shirt, and there's a bottom down, there's a tab called offers only. If you choose that thing, so that's all the offers running in a particular shirt will showcase to you. Then there is an option called the price range. So say if particular retailer is looking, or you as a retailer, you're looking for only 200 rupees shirt. So if you type that in 200 rupees in the range of the particular price point, only 200 rupees shirts will be visible to you. Then there is an option called sort. So this is the mostly used and the most preferred option to choose, or you trickle down your choices. Say if you go to the short, there's a 4 options here. If you see here, there's a 4 options here. So mostly used options are your price high to low or low to high. So ideally in a shirt, there's a 3 different type of shirts. One is a formal shirt, one is a casual shirt, one is your party wear shirt. If you talk about the fit, in the fit also there's a slim fit, there's a super slim fit, then there's a best sellers kind of thing, that is a regular fit, that is running all around and all kind of people can wear the regular fit shirt. If you talk about collar, widely used collars are your button down collar, then your sprayed collar, then your Nehru collar, or you can call Mandarin or Chinese collar. These are 3 basic collar or best selling collars in the market. There's another type of collar specifically used for party wear shirt or casual wear shirt, that is a trim collar or slim collar. The shirt I am wearing is a slim collar. If you see here, it's a slim collar. Then if you come to the pattern, in a shirt there's a pattern called solid. There's no color into that. All the solid colors are there. There's a pattern called checks, then printed, then all over print, then a stripes. So this is the basic and the best selling pattern in a shirt. This is available in the market. And all those product and all those brands we are offering to you are passed through a stringent quality parameters and curation. While selecting the brands, we are always going through 2 type of parameters, from the cluster side and from your QC side also. We thoroughly check the complete product. You thoroughly check the stitches of the product, the color of the product, the fit of the product, the workmanship in a particular shirt. Everything is well checked from our side and from the QC side, and it presented to you. It's a complete curated assortment presented to you. So if I'm talking about sizes, so we have starting from small sizes and goes up to 5XL. So every fit, every kind of persons, every human body, there's a different fit required. So all type of fits we are catering to the end consumers. If I'm talking about the price range, we started with 99 rupees shirt. The 99 rupees shirt comes with a blended fabric and goes up to 1499 rupees. 1499 rupees comes with a specialized product like say linen, 100% linen or silk product. So those kind of specialized product or specialized fabric comes with a higher price point. Apart from that, we are continuously working on the latest trends, those trends which are available in market and bringing to you. So the coming trend, or this is the best selling trends where I'm going to explain you. So one of the best selling trends right now is the vertical stripes. So if you're looking at the vertical stripes, so vertical stripes typically making a people slimmer and taller. So now vertical stripes are very much in. Then there's a called color blocked. So color block means there's a 4 or 5 colors are there, different colors are there. So that's called a color block. Color block may be in stripes also, in can be in vertical or horizontal also. Then another trend is coming up very fast, that is digital print shirt. Digital print shirt, and then there's coming up to 100% viscose shirts also. Apart from that, there is AOP is there, checks are there, the solids are there. Then or specific occasion wise also we are offering different kind of shirts. So currently we are offered you the products like the Onam specific shirts. So Onam specific shirts or Mundu, it's coming with your combos also and coming with your specific single product box packing also. So these shirts are your 100% silk or your art silk product specific to the Onam festival or the other festivals. If you combine all those things, so this is the right place to come into and buy your product. So I urge you, I thank you also to whatever your sale you are giving to us, and we'd like to get more sales from your side and you participate in our sales here. And thank you for all your support, and be safe and take care of your health. Thank you.